Same old codes I always get. And you reset it, and it's okay for a long time, then it does it again. But I think I'll clean my mass airflow sensor in the morning. I have, I put seafoam in my gas, so everything should be okay. I don't know. Okay. DTC and PD DTC and evaporate. Everything else is good. Clear the code. Same codes, okay. Code erased. Okay, done. $55 degrees and raining. And I left Texas with a real feel temp of 102. Wow. And this, my friends, is what happens when you use 2 GPSs and they don't sync up. And then they send you off on a back dirt road.
Take the next left onto Bamber Street.
They weren't syncing up at all. And then finally they did. Crazy.
Take next left.
Okay. This is pavement, right? No traffic. Didn't plug my mic back in either.
Continue on Bamber Street for half a
Jeez,
mile.
why do I live? Okay. You need to get back up where you belong. Somebody's gonna come out at me with a shotgun.
In quarter of a mile, turn left.
Arkansas 289 North, South 14th Street.
In quarter of a mile, turn left.
And this is Mammoth Spring, Arkansas, and my backup camera just died. Oh gosh, and yeah, I'm going a little too slow here.
In 800 feet, turn left onto US 63 North.
I'm about to just have a conniption here. Why'd you die, camera?
At the
You're
light,
solar.
turn left onto US 63 North.
100 feet.
You're solar.
Turn left.
There's sun. There's sun. Why did you die? Oh, gosh. This is crazy. You know what? I think I'll go to the Welcome Center instead of just...
At the light, turn right onto US 63 North. Continue on US 63 North for 60 miles.
Drive more than 40 miles.
All right, guys. We're almost in Missouri.
Welcome to Missouri.
There you go. We are in Missouri now. Wow. 3 states in... Let me see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 6 days. Only because I went camping. Oh, so I have 2 more hours to get to her house. I called or texted her and she's home today, so I told her give me 3 hours because I needed to pull over, call my mom, get my contacts made, and just kind of mentally detox from that swervy, curvy back road. And I'm probably speeding. I am definitely speeding. Oops. I guess that was the welcome. No, that can't be. It wasn't in Missouri yet. I don't know. Don't really need a Missouri map. I don't think. Maybe. I don't know. That's not gonna work. What are people from Missouri called? Missourians? I guess? Missourians? And Arkansas? Arkansonians? I don't know. Huh. I am in the tornado state, and I have seen some remnants left behind from tornadoes. It's kind of wicked. Very wicked. Wow. And I am going to call Missouri the alphabet state. Not to be confused with the alphabet people. No judgment on my part. But I'm going to call it the alphabet state because their junctions are letters rather than numerals, and it's kind of weird. So I just passed junction PP. When I got into the state, I passed junction OO. So it's just kind of, it's the only state I know that does that. And it's kind of like Louisiana with its parishes. Gas is about the same, $2.79. It's been that through Arkansas as well. Oh my gosh, how many more? 33 more minutes. You know what? Look at that. I have just reached Houston. I drove 768 miles to get to Houston. That's funny. I left Houston, Texas, and now I'm in Houston, Missouri. That's funny. Okay, now I am going through the town of Success, and I do believe that I have succeeded in getting this far. Oh my gosh. It's been miles and miles and miles of this surface, this road. Can't complain. Could be way worse. But I'm getting a little tired now. I'm getting close though. I got 8 more miles till I make it to Camp Deliverance. That's what it feels like. Mark Twain National Forest. Been there. Tick City. Tick, tick, tick. Wow. In fact, a fellow YouTuber just went there recently. And he paid for 2 nights of camping. And he didn't even, I don't even think he made it through the first night. I think he left. Yeah, I don't even think he stayed there the first night, because he didn't realize how bad the ticks are up here. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I remember the first time I went here, I thought, oh, I was excited. I was like, Mark Twain National Forest, how cool is that? And then I got out to walk my dogs, and yeah, they were lining up. Those ticks were lining up, but I'd never seen anything like it. A whole army of ticks. It was like, oh, we got out of there very quickly.
In a quarter-mile, turn left.
Arrive to destination in more than a quarter of a mile.
12557.